HoneyBook has become one of the go-to platforms for business owners, but is it the right choice for you? In this video, we'll cover 12 things you need to know before buying HoneyBook, comparing it with other popular tools so you can make the best decision. The first thing to know is that HoneyBook is great for freelancers and small business owners who need a streamlined process for client management, contracts, and invoicing. But if you're a larger business or looking for advanced features, platforms like HoneyBook's competitor, Bonsai, might offer more flexibility in those areas. Next thing, HoneyBook is known for its user-friendly interface. It's simple, but that simplicity comes at a cost when compared to more customizable tools like Dubsado, which might be better if you're someone who wants to tweak workflows and features to fit your business needs. The third thing to mention is its pricing. HoneyBook's subscription starts at $39 per month, but if you're a larger business, you might quickly find that costs add up. On the other hand, alternatives like Zoho projects can offer competitive pricing with more advanced features at a similar cost. Now, the fourth thing to know about HoneyBook is that it's highly focused on automating workflows. It handles everything from email templates to client intake forms, saving you time on repetitive tasks. But if you're looking for more advanced automation, platforms like 17 Hats offer similar services with more sophisticated options for automating entire processes. The fifth thing is its invoicing capabilities. HoneyBook lets you create professional invoices and track payments easily. But while it's good for freelancers and small businesses, if you're looking for more in-depth financial tracking, QuickBooks might be a better option. Next thing is customer support. HoneyBook provides 24/7 support, which is a plus. But if you're looking for a tool with an active online community or more self-service resources, you might want to check out platforms like Asana or Trello, which offer helpful forms and resources for users. The seventh thing is how well it integrates with other software. HoneyBook offers integrations with popular tools like Google Calendar, QuickBooks, and Zapier. However, if you're running a larger organization and require more integrations, tools like Airtable can offer more flexibility. The eighth thing to keep in mind is HoneyBook's mobile app. The app is handy for managing tasks on the go, but it's not as robust as other competitors, like the mobile version of Monday.com, which provides a more fully featured experience for managing projects remotely. Now, the ninth thing about HoneyBook is its contract management system. It allows you to send, sign, and store contracts digitally, which is excellent for clients who prefer paperless transactions. But for more complicated legal needs, tools like HelloSign offer additional features for creating custom contracts. The 10th thing is its ease of use. HoneyBook is designed to get you started quickly with minimal setup. If you're new to client management software, this is a major plus. However, if you need something that offers more granular customization options, you might prefer something like ClickUp. Next, HoneyBook offers a solid client portal where clients can access their documents, invoices, and upcoming meetings. But some users report that it's not as sleek or user-friendly as competitors like ClientBooked, which specializes in providing top-tier customer portals. The 12th and final thing to consider is its focus on creative professionals. HoneyBook excels in industries like photography, design, and event planning, providing tools specifically tailored for creative business owners. However, if you're running a business in a different industry, tools like HoneyBook's competitors, like 17 Hats or Dubsado, might offer more flexibility to accommodate your unique needs. In conclusion, HoneyBook is a solid option for freelancers and small business owners looking to streamline their client management, invoicing, and contract processes. But if you're seeking a more customizable and feature-rich solution, you might want to check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.